Hey there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. So this is our weekly showcase for the week of Friday, August 19th. So let's jump right into it. Alrighty. I'm a little bit sore today. I did 5 miles walking this morning, or almost 5. Tromping through the woods, we found some trails. Alright, anyway, this is 2x5, 3x4 in black with red top and red bottom. So check out how cool that is. Isn't that neat? That's all you gotta do right there. And then the top on there is black as well, so pretty cool. Single strap with a blue interior. And that's what we look like right there. Isn't that cool? Alright, moving on here, I've got let me just set these here when I'm done. So you can, oh, actually, there you go. Sorry. Okay, this one here is black 4x8 with red stitching. Black 4x8 with red stitching. And a red interior. Hey, when you see this like this, don't send those out. They gotta be fixed. Alright, the next one I have here is a solid blue with blue stitching, 3x6. With one strap. Blue stitching on there, very cool. Blue zipper pulls. And a beautiful blue interior. Alright, next one I have is another 3x6. This one is black and gold. Right here, also a single strap with white stitching. There you go. This one is 3 butts, 6 shafts, got 2 pockets. These pockets are also taller than normal. This is what we call our Dynamite Rugged. Named after Kid Dynamite, who was the first guy to ask us about making those 2 tall pockets like that. So we named the model after him. Alright, this is a gray and white and light gray piping with backpack straps. Actually, it's got gray stitching, not white stitching, but it does have white zipper pulls. And we have a taller lid, which means ball holder or extra compartment space. And there you go. How cool. Alright, next one I have here is a 2x5 Asian Zing style. There you go, with silk brocade. This one has white stitching and 2 butts, 5 shafts. Maroon interior. And it says for Alex. So, thank you, Mr. Pham. We appreciate it. Or Miss Pham. I don't know. Alex could be a girl's name too. Alright. And then here we have black and purple 2x3. 2 butts, 3 shafts with a black interior. There you go. 2 butts and 3 shafts, black interior. Alright, the next one I have is that one I've already shown you guys. It's all black. Alright, this one here is 4x8 black with burnt orange piping on here. You guys can see that. And single strap, 4x8 with a brown interior. There you go. Alright, the next one I have here looks like we got a Viking outline on there. 4x8 black. Check that out. You look a little closer. It's kind of a sleeper there with the Viking embroidery on there. And then this one has a light gray stitching with a gray interior, 4 butts, 8 shafts. Alright, this one here is a 2x5, 3x4. This is black with red stitching, backpack straps. There you go, and JB cases on the lid. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. You can get the JB cases on there for free, by the way. Now, we used to pay people $5 to do the JB cases on there, like if you wanted to do it. And what happened is, we actually had people doing like, just to get $5 off, right? They would put like JB cases like right here, you know? Like right where it's in the fart zone, right? So if you're wearing the case, right where you're gonna fart, that's where the JB, so nobody would ever see it, right there. All that just to get $5 off, right? So, which, you know, I even tolerated that for a while, but as I'm thankful, you know, I'm thankful that you want to put the name on there. But then I had somebody do this, right, where they went and they put like JB cases all on here in black, stuff like that, so they got like $25, $30 off, and I was like, man, come on, you know? So at the end of it, I decided to just put it up there that you can have it for free. If you want to show off that you have a JB case by putting a bigger logo on there like this, then we're very grateful that you do that, but of course we don't force it on you, and thank you very much. Okay, if you do it. Unlike some of our competitors who like to put their name everywhere on the case or put it up here on the lid so that it's you're forced to advertise for them whether you want to or not. Anyway, this is a 4x8, maroon and yellow and black. Very cool. And this has, let's see what color, a black 4x8 interior. 4 butts, 8 shafts. There you go. Alright, next one I have here is 3x6 burnt orange with burnt orange stitching. And let's see what color we have there. And a burnt orange interior. There you go. And the last one, did I already show you that one? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll show it anyway. This is a black and gray and blue. Black, gray, and blue 4x8 with a taller lid. Blue stitching. This one has blue stitching, 4x8, and a compartment in the lid, just like that. So you have an extra little compartment with a magnetic lid on there, and there you go. And that's it. That's our weekly showcase for this week. So thank you guys very much. We appreciate it. And just remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, jbcases.com. We're happy to do it for you. Just takes a little bit of time to get the design down and everything. Takes, right now, we're looking at about 3 to 4 months on cases. But when you're done, you're going to have exactly what you ordered. And you're going to have a case with a lifetime warranty. So you get a better case from day one than most of our competitors. I like to say from all of our competitors, but you know, some of our competitors use our interiors and they build a pretty damn good case. So you know, I can't say that anymore, that it's better than every other case maker. But you know, for the most part, you are going to get better protection of your cues from day one. You're going to get a lifetime warranty. You get just an incredibly broad amount of custom options that you can do for your case. So, and you can have all that for, say, $200 range, you know, up to $2,500 if you want to go full leather, full tooling, full color, full everything. But in general, you know, you're going to be able to get a great case with a ton of customization at around the $300 mark. You know, so there's literally billions of color combinations that you can do inside that price range. So there you go. Thank you guys very much. Y'all take care.